At least 14 individuals, including one male, were injured after security forces used force to disperse protesters at Paramban Imam Market who were seeking identification of illegal immigrants before census exercise in Manipur today. The protest was launched following a call by Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation, demanding that illegal immigrants be detected and deported before conducting census exercise in the state. Security had been tightened in key areas since early morning, anticipating possible protests. At around 11 a.m., a large number of women vendors gathered, raising slogans and holding banners and placards with messages such as "No NRC, no census, no free movement," and "Resolve present, crisis first, census after." Police teams led by SP Imphal West District KSH Shiva Kanta along with the district magistrate and central security forces attempted to control the protesters. The situation soon escalated into a clash between the agitators and security personnel. Security forces reportedly fired tear gas shells and used stun guns to disperse the crowd. Among the injured was CCSK Vice President Shyam Kuman, who sustained injuries on his left calf. Others included 30-year-old MD Shahida of Ketri Awang Laikai, 54-year-old Ilangbam Pajabi of Hairok, Akoijam Radha of Oripok Kumantem Laikai, 20-year-old Taurem Babina of Iroshemba, and 30-year-old Roja of Patsoi Patri, along with several others. The injured persons were taken to RIMS Hospital and Raj Medicity for treatment. Meanwhile, public condemns the action of security forces against the protesters, calling it excessive use of force.
India government when hybrid the said government Modi MLA Kadogri, Tara Manga, a quite MLA lady, later in Trump. But the Tara quite Prajana and White, a quite Prajadu, Ganga Town and Tamadia Roy, a quite Prajamiam lady, a Kama Kalmakaki, Machito, Dogadi, in our city, Dogan Census already Makalmakai, Kanjan
ZDF की माइटी दगी हंगन जीवदा मितोपसा सिंग चंचल लखिबा मयाम असि एनआरसी नत्रगना एनआरसी गा मानबा मेकानिज्म अमदा खंदो अब मतमदा रिपोर्ट तौग्रबा मतमदा सेंसस तौबा यागनी हाबसे जेएफ की अचेप फिरनी करिगुंबा सिदा मखा ताना गवर्नमेंट ना लेबा मियाम की सेंटिमेंट अमदी इमोशन खंबीरगा थबक तौतबा तारगदी मखा ताना जेएफ की अमदी तोआन तोआनबा समिनरिबा सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सिंग अमदी लेबा मियाम समनदुना सिदगी हेन चावबा एजिटेशन क्या संजलकनी